what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well. Please take a moment and subscribe. This is how you can show your support and motivate me to create more contents and recipes for you to watch. Today we're going to be making this delicious salsa verde, green salsa. I will be going over the list of ingredients as well as the steps to make this salsa verde on the comments down below. But I did want to share with you, if you're new to cooking with tomatillo, they come like this, wrapped in their own leaf. And then you're just going to open it up and wash it. They're very sticky and they'll still be very sticky after you wash. But as long as you know that they're clean, it's all right. We have tomatillos, Serrano Pepper, Jalapeños, Anaheim Pepper, and Poblanos, my favorite. Here we have the lime, cilantro, onion, and garlic. I chose to make this salsa verde roasted, but you could also make it raw, same ingredients, same recipe, except you're not going to roast it. You're going to blend it in a little bit more than we are going to be blending this one. You can also, instead of roasting, you can boil the ingredients in this bowl in water, okay? So the only items that we are roasting are the peppers and the tomatillo. So I have a little bit of cooking oil. I'm going to rub it in my hands, and then I'm just going to rub each pepper. You can see that they have just enough coating. So what this does, it helps roasting, of course, and then it's gonna help us after it's roasted to get the skin of the peppers removed. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how easy that is. So we have 4 kinds of peppers again, and we like it very spicy here at home, so I'm gonna be using everything with seeds. If you are not a fan of the super spicy salsa, but you still like salsa verde, you can just remove the seeds, and then I would probably leave the Serrano pepper out. In the oven they go. And out they come. It's been about 20 minutes. I cover my roast pan with foil because I don't want to have to clean this mess. We're going to place the peppers while they're still hot inside a plastic bag. I'm reusing the vegetable bag, but you could use a Ziploc or one of those super cool sustainable silicone bags. And because we're adding those ingredients raw, I'm just going to lightly chop it, just like this. And then the garlic, same thing, maybe I'll cut it in 3. Now this cilantro, I like to add it afterwards because I do like a little bit bigger chunks in my salsa. So I'm not going to add the cilantro to the blender. And then this is a good way to control as well how much cilantro to add to the salsa. Now we're going to remove the peel of the peppers. It was in this bag just literally while I chopped this up and went back and forth and recorded. So maybe 5-10 minutes. And it's okay if you don't get all the skin removed, but just the best that you can. It's still pretty hot. So you see, it comes out really, really easily. So we're gonna do this with all the peppers. I went ahead and removed all the peel that I could. Left this last one just to show you of all my 8 peppers. And again, here at home, we like it spicy. So I'm gonna leave all the seeds. If you're not too much of a fan of spicy, remove the seeds. We're gonna remove this little tip of all of them, and I'm just gonna throw them in the blender. All the peppers are in. I'm gonna add the onion, garlic, Tomatillos, I'm adding just like that, I'm not even cutting. And then the juice of 1 lime. The 1 lime is, it will depend on your lime, if you have juice or not. We're going to correct the salt after we blend it. So we're going to pulse it. I like my salsa chunky. If I was making this for enchiladas, I would blend a little bit more, and like I said, I'd add chicken stock. But for what I want chunky. Blend to your desired texture. And now we're going to taste the salt. Added the cilantro, and let's add a little bit of salt, and then we're going to taste it to make sure it's to our liking. It's so chunky. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.